Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. Today I'm going to create a shaking card and I'm going to use my beautiful beach stamp set. First I need to prepare the front of my card and I'm going to cut a rectangle because this is going to be my frame, let's say. So this is more or less the shape of my card. I will trim it a little bit later. And now you can see the set of stamps I have. And this is the beach stamp set and I really love it. I took almost all of them and I put them on my stamping platform. But now you can see how they look like. I'm using black chalk ink from Decotime and I'm going to stamp umbrella, sunbed, flip-flops, some seashells and this sand castle. I decided to stamp this wooden sign to the beach once again because I think it looks better when there is a little bit less ink. So I'm taking my alcohol markers, Twinmarkers, and I'm going to paint these cute images. So I'm starting with this small castle. I'm going to cut all the images I painted. The sunbed is the hardest. I will blend the background using Distress inks, Peacock Feather, Salty Ocean and Mermaid Lagoon. And then I will prepare the front of the card. I need to know more or less the area of the background because there's no point to blend all of the card, so I will just blend the rectangle which is going to be visible. My favorite juicy colors. I need to organize my card a little bit, but first I think I will add some sand. That is why I'm using this beautiful golden pearl paper. Yes, this is my beach. I'm going to glue these small pictures to the card. Some of them are going to be in front of it and some of them are going to be in the water, so on the background. I have here this little piece of foil and I'm going to stick it to the card, and this is going to be my window. Okay, now we can add some sequins, and I have here these cute blue ones and the ones with seashells, stars and some other shapes, and I think they are going to be perfect to be the imitation of the water. Let's add some more shining things. The circles are going to be perfect. I glue some foam tape before to the front of the card. So this is my frame, and now I'm going to glue it to the background. Okay, we can say that shaking card is ready, but we need to add some things. I decided to emboss these two signs Wish you were here, and see sun. And I'm going to use white embossing powder and my heating tool. Now I will stick the card to the card base, let's say, and I have this beautiful paper, blue paper with white dots. And the white pearl base. This card is quite large. I think it's the largest card I've ever made. So let's glue the signs. And now the card is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my another summer card, and I think it's not the last one. So please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!